straight. Straight. The big sign that says elevators right there. We're gonna go to the left. Left, we're going to baggage claim. Oh, Mom. It's actually a smaller airport.
Oh my God, it's dirty or it's grease or it's wet.
It's wet. To get to the garage because that's where Lyft picks up. Orlando, it's a little more congested. You have to cross from baggage claim over, and then you're going to be in zone C through A, and it's just very, 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 very congested. Definitely not Orlando anymore. Here, I cannot wait to get out of this terminal. I'm over it. I'm so over it. Okay, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Steffi, Jolly Darling Travel. I did not vlog this entire travel day because, truth be told, whenever I am doing something new, I am I don't have anxiety. I just want to really have my wits about me so I can see where everything is, see what's going on. I've never flown into Fort Lauderdale before. It's been a super long time since I've flown with JetBlue. I just felt like a fish out of water today. So I really didn't vlog like I normally would if I was going to MCO or going to Canaveral. So we are here in Fort Lauderdale for a Disney cruise. We are on the Disney Dream. It is October 29th. We set sail tomorrow. And if you know what's going on, Hurricane Melissa is going through, I believe, parts of the Caribbean, but so far not the areas we're going to. That's not to say that the water wouldn't be a little rough. So anyhow, today is my quick travel day. We have checked into the Hilton Marina. This one was booked through Disney, so I booked this for us through Disney. They do have a transfer here, so I'm going to give you a quick view of this room. When I was looking for vlogs on this hotel, I didn't really find a lot. Not my bougiest stay ever, however, it's for one night, 2 queen room. Bathroom is right here, which it is pretty spacious. The bathroom's pretty spacious. So walk-in shower, rainforest shower, 1 sink. There is a small closet right here. It's very small. We are on the 9th floor. Apparently this is a marina view. So we do have quite a view, and hopefully we'll see the ships come in, because I've seen somewhere that if you were on this end, you would see them. So let me unlock the door. We have a wraparound balcony, which is actually kind of cool. There's a lot of industrial views, but I mean, in terms of the actual hotel, it's not bad. Apparently there's a waterway over here that we're going to be able to take to some shopping district. I'm trying to have an open mind. I apparently get settled in and explore Fort Lauderdale, but wish me luck. It's been a heck of a day. As my cousin said, it's been a heck of a day at sea, sir. In the lobby, it seems like this is a conference center, so when I get downstairs, I will show you a little bit more. property. This seems like this is part of like the convention area. There's this massive yacht out there. Olive and Seas is upstairs, but I didn't go up there. It's pouring. We're supposed to tour the city, but it's not looking really good right now. It's not a huge hotel. However, I would say, you know, it's clean, it's decent. I don't think it's been a week here, but check out all these yachts. And that's the water taxi right there. Not trying to cross the street in my brand new sneakers, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, I don't know what that super yacht is, but this is definitely a boating place. And they do have an elevator right here for the Olive and Seas Mediterranean. The elevator up, this is the Olive and Seas restaurant. It is absolutely beautiful up here. I would like to come in here and eat, actually. And you can sit out on the patio, and there's more yachts. So you do have to take that elevator from the ballroom where we were. Come on up, and that's how you get to the restaurant. I go into the gift shop and go check it out. Cute. The Disney cruise table is up, so I'm going to get some information about how we're going to get prepared for tomorrow. To talk to the Disney cruise lady, she was super sweet. We have our boarding group. I learned that's kind of different from sailing out of Port Canaveral, and normally I stay at a Disney resort. They basically have all their buses in the morning, but you don't meet with a coordinator the day before. Well, here in Fort Lauderdale at the Hilton Marina, they actually have the coordinator here from 3 to 7, and something she told me that I did not know was that at 3 o'clock, it's first come, first serve. So anyone who was there at the table at 3 got the first boarding for the bus, and then anyone that hasn't been there yet automatically goes on to the second boarding of the bus. So she told me she's going to try and get us on the first one. Also, I was boarding group 4, but now I'm boarding group 3 because of this nice little Donald, or no, he's Goofy. So we're boarding group 3 between 1 and 3. So that's technically the first before concierge. But here's the deal. Tomorrow, I am going to try to get a concierge upgrade because this sailing is not fully booked, and I've been keeping my eye on it, and I've been watching other vloggers do this, so hopefully we get the concierge upgrade. So as soon as we get through security, I got to run up to guest services, which it would have been better if I was on the first bus. However, I'm not, so we'll just see what happens. If I'm supposed to have concierge, I'm supposed to have concierge. If not, it is what it is. All in all, travel day, had some hiccups with JetBlue. The flight itself was fine. However, my cousin Darlene had some issues in terms of her spelling and whatnot, but I'll get into that in another vlog. The hotel, it's okay. It's not like the best hotel I've ever been in. However, we did have to switch our room because that room that you saw on the 10th floor, it had a real funny smell. And my mom is right. She switched us, so now we were on the 9th floor, corner room, a little bit bigger. Now we're on the 10th floor, same view, but the room isn't as big. We're not on the corner, so we do have some people on the side of us. However, hopefully we will be able to see our ship in the morning out front. We did go and have some food, which I did not vlog because I was just trying to vlog stuff that was really pertinent to travel day. We went to, I forget the name. What was the name of that restaurant we went to?
You're asking us?
All I know is it was really good. I'll try to link it below. It was really, really good. However, the water taxi is $35 per person, but you get to stop on the entire path. It was pouring rain earlier, so we had to take a lift to the actual restaurant. Once we got there, the rain had stopped. We did walk down Los Alamos Boulevard. Again, didn't vlog it because I just kind of was taking it all in, but I highly recommend if you do stay at this hotel to take that water taxi down because this This hotel is adjacent to a water taxi, so it's pretty convenient. This hotel also has a beach shuttle. However, we're supposed to stay here on our post-cruise night, but we actually moved over to the beach house. So we'll be right on the beach with a beach view. So I have to stick around for that. Thanks for following along. If you have any questions, you can put them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all the things. Bye.